Good morning to all my students. My name is Mohammad Sohail Sheikh and I am a faculty of C.V. Patel Computer College of the BCA department. Today I will teach .NET framework. Before starting the .NET framework, just we discuss or just I tell you a framework is a set of the common fabricated software building blocks that programmer use, extend or customize for specific computing solutions. And a .NET is a software framework which is a designed and developed by the Microsoft. So from these two terms, .NET and a framework, we can define .NET framework is a manage and a types of environment for building, developing, deploying and executing applications. Which type of applications? So we can say that Windows, web and web service applications. So finally I can define .NET framework is a manage and a types of environment for building, developing, deploying and executing the Windows, web and web services applications. .NET framework which manage the some aspect regarding the program executions. Number one, allocation of the memory for the storage of the data instructions. Second one, granting and denying permissions to the applications. Number third, managing the execution of the applications, which help to the manage the execution application executions. Number fourth is reallocation of the memory for the resources that are not required, that are not needed. So just it will be released by the CL or .NET framework. So now we discuss architectures of a .NET framework. So in the base of any framework, operating system is the base. What is the operating system? So I can say that the operating system is a software which is installed on every computer to operate it and all other software work on it. There is a base for any framework, either it is .NET framework or it is a Joomla framework or it is a WordPress or any framework. OS is a base. But here we discuss .NET framework. There are number one, common language runtime, which is known as a CLR. Just we can say that CLR, which is the heart of the .NET framework. It is a common runtime for all the languages targeting the .NET platform. It means a CLR provides common runtime for all the languages which is supported by the .NET platform. I can just add like it is the engine that compile and run the applications. CLR uses the Microsoft Intermediate Language Format Code, which is a language independent for executions. JIT compiler translate the ML code to the native code. CLR manage memory and thread at runtime. Now second is BCL, Base Class Library. It is designed to integrate with CLR. मीन्स के BCL को इस तरह डिजाइन किया है कि CLR के साथ इंटीग्रेट हो सके. BCL, which is also known as a framework class library. It means that BCL is a library which is available to all the languages using the .NET platform.
सुबह से बात कर रही हूँ आप लोगों किसका काम है?
BCL provide the classes which encapsulate a number of common functions, including the file reading and the writing, graphic rendering,
तो कब दे गए?
database interactions, and XML document manipulations.
क्या नाम?
The main areas which is covered by the class library like data structures, input-output management, Windows and web controls, database access, multi-threading, remoting, and reflections. Now, remaining portions we discuss in a next video.